Hello dear love traders, I will show you how to make 50 or more per day USD, United States dollar per day, using only one pair, one index, not pair, which is Crash 500. This is today results. As you can see, you can make even more. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, it's about 100. Yeah, you can make 50 or more per day using Crash 500. To do this, I'll show you how it works. This is demo. Yeah, this is demo account. Just working here to make it work. So how are we going to do this? To be able to do this, you have to set this commodity channel index. Yeah, your period should be for 14. Apply to close. Style, you can choose color of your choice, but here in level you have to add 140, 100, negative 140, and you gain 100, and then you set done. Color of your choice, pixel, just use this 3, then you hit done. So to make this strategy work, you have to be careful, right? Make sure you are H4 the day you're working. Your daily is bullish, in bullish mode. Also your H4 should be in bullish mode, I mean green, and also your H1 should be in green. Also your 30 minutes should be in blue green color or bullish mode, and 15 minutes should be green. Yeah, to be able to work with this, you have to go to 1 minute. You have to go to 1 minute, and then you press your lot size should be $3.5, so that you can make it in 3 candles. So we are trading only 3 candle. 3 candle you're out. So 3 candle you're out. So you can make it. You can make $10 per 3 candle. That's how it works. So you should press your order, and then you make it go. As you can see results here, just try to make it. Yeah, here you go. However, this can result to big loss if you 3.5 is a big lot size. So if it gonna go and hit you, or if it is going to spike, then you're going to lose about 64 or 54 to 63 dollar. So you have to be careful when you trading this. So we'll show you example here. Yeah, to be able to succeed, make sure your trend, you are in high trend, you are in uptrend, and as you can see here, there is reversal pattern here. There is reversal here in H1, so it is not safe to enter. And again, as I have told you, that you have to enter when H4 is in bullish mode and H1 is bullish too, and 15 minutes and 30 minutes should be in bullish mode. That is how you can make money using the so here it is risk. You're supposed to enter when this line here. You follow your stochastic. You can also use RSI. So you have to wait the spike to hit this level here, down here, so that you can take your trade. If you enter in this side here, above here, then you're going to lose, because the price is already in overbought. So don't enter in this level here, just enter below here so that you can make money. Yeah, as you see result here, you can make 50 per day, so it is not good. It is not bad. Yeah, so I can't enter here to show you example, but I want to show you how if it is spike, it's gonna do something. However, here it might spike in this level here. Yeah, it might spike here, so it's not safe to enter now. So this is how it works. So if you want more money, just do it for your own risk. Yeah, your equity should not be less than 250. However, you can start with 100, but if it is spike, you are going to die now. Yeah, it is all like that, my man. So just try it, you're gonna make it. here it's gonna spike. So I wanna try to enter, but this is not safe because it doesn't make my yacht. It doesn't make my I didn't follow the rules because I'm not supposed to enter here. I'm just really showing you example how it works, but this is level where it's gonna spike. So if it's gonna spike here, then we are dead. But remember, 3 candle, you're out. Even if it is spike, just close. Do not hold, because if you hold, you're going to die, because it might spike in double. So if it is spiky, if there is a line spiking, so line spike is, then you are going to die. It might blow your account, so try not to do so. So only 3 candle, as you can see here, we have 1. Then you're out. 3 candle only. 3 candle only. It might spike in that level. So let us wait and try to see if it is spiked. Gonna spike or not. Here we go. It might spike in this level here. So waiting for 3 candle. That is only but 1 candle. Yes, done. We're waiting for 3 candle. 3 candle to reach our target. I told you this is not safe. You should not enter here. I want to show you how it's, if it's gonna spike, how much loss we are going to have. So if it's gonna spike there, if it is not going to spike, then it is okay. However, do not enter this level here, but follow the rules that you have to enter when the market, the day candle is in bullish, and also H4 is in bullish, and H1 is in bullish, and again 30 minutes and also 15 minutes. So remember, you are working the whole day, so to make 50 per day, you have to find out, to make $50 per day, you have to find in 24 hours, you have to find the good entries only. So remember, you follow your commodity channel index or stochastic, and again or RSI. So you have to enter this level here. So just set it on your own and then follow the instruction. We are almost there, and we are going to be out few seconds. We are left almost $1 left there. $1 left. We are going to do it. We're going to make it our first 10. Then we are out. Few seconds left. Then we are out. Just close immediately when it reach your target. Remember, you have to sleep. Here we go. Thank you God, we made it. So I'm out. So do not enter. That is all, traders. Thank you for watching.